The definition of successful fireground pump operation is simple. Maintain consistent and reliable hose streams for any and all firefighting activities. But the process of achieving proper water pressure and flow can be complicated. Pump operators are constantly considering and reconsidering multiple factors at any given moment. Even with advances in pump automation, nothing replaces operator knowledge and experience. Fundamental skills are still the best tools for fighting fires. Unfortunately, many pump operators are not actively prepared to manage countless variables in the heat of battle, creating potential water management failures, which can have serious, sometimes life-threatening consequences. FDSS has developed a new training solution for more straightforward and effective pump operations, called Focus. Focus is a customized modular training program providing a common-sense approach to understanding essential pump operator proficiencies. It is a series of indispensable strategies for pump operators to control hose line fire attacks without overdependence on mathematics, charts, and various rules of thumb. FDSS brings this training directly to your fire department. Focus is taught by a highly skilled faculty consisting of certified fire instructors, all with over 20 years of hands-on pump operations experience. Each module focuses on the essentials of pump operations, including hydraulics without the math, tank water management, pressure regulation, relay operations, pump operator challenges and responses, and rural water supply refresher. No matter what the size of your department, rural, metro, or in between, this program can be customized to meet the needs of your particular personnel and fire district. Combined with practical and fireground training, including our Advanced Pump Operations Simulator, classroom instruction from FDSS can help your department achieve a safer, smarter, and more effective fire attack with more confident pump operators at the panel. Nothing is more important than a skilled pump operator on the fireground. FDSS training programs make your pump operators more prepared and capable for more dependable firefighting operations. FDSS, advancing preparedness in the fire service.